Hello everybody, Brian here, quantlabs.net. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install Python on Windows 7. This is more geared towards any of my newbies that sign up for my stuff. So this is made for them. There's probably better versions of this. Now note, I am using Windows 7. I've had problems with Windows 10. So I know there's end of life for this operating system next year, so I'll worry about that then. Alright, so let's get to it. This is again Windows 7, as you can hopefully tell. All we gotta do here is just go over to python.org to download the versions of Python. Now for my scripts, I'm needing both Python 2 and 3. So right now I'm just going to stick with Python 3.74. But let me see if it might be better to go with and match it up with my particular version of Python. I'm probably 3.6, so let me just give it a second here. I'll exactly. Okay, so we're needing 3.64. Let's see, 366, 364. Okay, let me go with, no, let's do this one. So that's the version I have on my Mac. You can download any of these versions. It's the mechanics of downloading should be the same. So where is our download? Okay. So we want the zip source tar, so we want the Windows installer. I'll go with, let's try this one. I'm not even sure what kind of processor I'm needing. Windows embeddable. That's embeddable zip file. That's probably what I could use. Open in Explorer. Okay. So I am going to save link as. Okay, let me do that. So this is Windows 32 web-based. Let's try that one as well. AMD 633. Hopefully this should run. Hopefully. So we want, that's an application. Let's try running this. See what happens here. Now I know I'm running on a Intel processor. So off she goes. Hopefully this will install and set up all of my Python environment variables as well. Because I remember doing this a while ago and I was pretty impressed with the download and installation process for Windows. Also, again, apologies for the audio. The audio is not that good, I know. Working on a raw cam right now, webcam, not professionally set up for the Windows, which is a brand new system, maybe about a week old for me. So, and right now, if you're wondering, this is a Lenovo Think Center. It's fairly old, 4 meg system. So far it's running everything. I did run into a compatibility problem, but Windows 7 it is for now. So it looks like we're installing 3.63, which should be fine for the exact version we need. Now you can download any version of Python you want. When it comes to the scripting, you gotta make sure your packages are compatible with the particular version of Python. So I don't really want to fool around with the versions of Python and have to modify my code to get this thing running on the Windows environment. I have 3 different versions of scripts, for one for Python, one for Linux, Mac, and then now Windows. It'll become a maintenance nightmare. So for now, we just keep it the way it is, as simple as possible. Alright, so is it running? Okay. So, yeah. Okay. Now, let's see. We have Python here. Okay, I'm going to make a terminal or a command prompt. Okay, let's see if it sees the Python. Nope. No. So now we need to figure out where did that Python get installed. Normally it would show up here in the, oh, here we go, Python 3.6. Okay, right here. So we have Python 3.6 idle. Let me just see the properties of that. So here's where the program is in local programs, Python 3.6. So let me just copy that and see what else we have installed here. Let's go to that proper folder. Okay, so all we have is Python. What else do we have? Tools. Demo IL8 parser script. I don't even think it's installed pip at all, or did it? Scripts. Let's see if it installed pip. I know. Okay, so you have to go to the control panel here. So we want to so I can't remember, it's been a while since I've looked at that. System security, uninstall, add remove account, find all, network. Okay, so we want the environmental variables. Okay. Wow, I can't even remember how this works. Environmental, here we go. Environmental, it's under systems here. Okay. Want that. Okay, so we have environmental variables. Let's see here. So nothing was properly installed. You know what I'm going to do? I don't like this, so I am going to bail out and put in the latest version of Python. Okay, let's go back to the control panel. Uninstall, program, Python launcher, because there's later versions which I do believe will install all the necessary tools and sets up the okay. So we're going to load in the latest version of download. So just take care of that one there. Alright. So that's still uninstalling, close, and get rid of this guy as well. Alright. In the meantime, I can download this guy. July 8th, blah 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 blah. Tarball, Mac OS, help file, embeddable zip file, executable installer, web-based installer. Let me try that one. Do you want the font to remove? Yes. Okay, so there's no remnants of Python there. And let's get this other one working. 3.74 run. Install now. Includes IDE pip, so it does include pip there, which is good. It should automatically get the packages, so I can install some of the basic packages. But then again, you gotta get the latest packages, as well as making sure that your code is up to date as well for those. One or more cause, please fix the issue. Unspecified error. Well, that's good to know. So it didn't like it. Okay, let's try that again. Custom install. Add Python 3.7 to the path. Yes. Come on. I don't know why this is not working. Let me try this executable installer as a backup. As far as I know, oh, I know, maybe this computer's a 32-bit. That might be the problem. Okay. All the joys of Python. So we don't want the AMD, we want the 386 version. This one. Let's try running that. Install, add 3.7 to the path. Yep, let's go. Okay. So depending upon your system, most systems are probably 64-bit, but the one I've got here is 32-bit, I think. But let's see if it downloads. Wow, didn't like that. And I guess the next question is, people are going to go, how do you know if you have a 64-bit or a 32-bit? Well, there's this thing called Google, and I'll tell you. Windows 7, how to tell if 32-bit or 64-bit. Click Start, search box, and then click Programs List. So Windows 7, click Start, System, appears for this under System. Where is the system? Let's try to find it. Okay, let's do that again. System. Okay. System. That's what we want right here. So we have a 64-bit. Okay. So that means we want the embeddable zip file executable installer would be this one. That should work. Okay, completed. .74, 64-bit. Okay, let's see. Oh, please, 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 please. Shouldn't matter if it's Windows 7 or 8. There's no comments on that. Well, it looks like it may be working. Hooray. Finally we can make some progress and get past this stupid stuff, but in case people run into various setup problems in Python why I can't install, now you know what to look for. So, as I said, once you use pip, all the code that you bring over from wherever that code needs to be up to date with the packages that you install, and that code may be out of sync if you're using an older version of Python, in my case 3.6, which is already well over a year and a half old. Between now and then, I do believe, I pray and cross my fingers that my Linux is the most up to date as well. I just did it last week. Okay, so now it looks like we have success. So let me reopen this and open up a new command prompt. The way to do that is just do a search cmd. Okay, cool. So now let's see if we can install Python 3. Python 3, no, Python. There we go. Okay, so we do have Python 3.74, Python pip. Let me see what. Okay, so if I do pip install pandas, this will load it in the latest version of pandas. There you go. So there you go. That's an easy, hopefully easy way to install Python, get it working. Automatically installs into your command path and variables as well, so you don't have to do any of the monkeying around with the command control panel, which is good. But it looks like it's working. Hooray. Now you just got to make sure, as I said, that your code is up to date with the latest versions that get downloaded with pip here. So hopefully that'll help you out. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.